Hi guys, hope you're doing good. Today I would like to talk about the assistive touch function in our iPhones. Ever since I started using iPhone, I have been a big fan of the assistive touch, and I tend to use less buttons and more of this touch function. So in this touch, I have seen some improvements lately which I would like to share. This will really help to make your phone faster and your work easier. So besides using the assistive touch in the usual manner, you can also customize it a little so that it can be more convenient. For example, you can use the single tap, double tap, long press, and 3D, which are a part of the custom actions. So let me show you. Okay, so please do watch the video till the end, and by the end, I hope it will make your work and your life much easier and your phone much faster.